these early morning flights are rough, so it's one of those things. Just here and with my flight, and luckily it's only like an hour and a half, and I will be in LAX, and we'll be seeing how this whole new car purchase would go. Let me know in the comments what you think the car is. Leave a comment right now and guess, because this is a car you probably won't expect. All right, see you on the plane soon.
Please check your bag. You can board at this time regardless of your boarding zone. Zone 4, you're welcome to board.
Really, just relax, calm down, everything's fine. Please don't do anything stupid.
Anything stupid or you'll go to jail.
Nice, let's be nice. We don't have to go there. I mean, you're not wrong, but you didn't have to say it. I mean, good Lord.
I thought I was doing a pretty good job.
Sorry, it snuck up on me. I was like, oh, there it is.
Place your smaller items underneath the seat in front of you and larger bags in the overhead bin, and then check to be sure that the bin's too close.
Alright, having a hard time trying to find the rideshare area in this LAX airport, so and it is busy, so let me backtrack and go from there. Usually this stuff is near ground transport or baggage claim, so I'm going to baggage claim now. I don't have a bag or anything, but we'll see. He just called me and said he'll be here, so I'll just go down here. Looking for a silver Corolla hybrid, so it shouldn't be hard to spot in the sea of silver Corollas, but I'll find it.
smoking a cigarette. Just I think when I do that, it's not close. We're pretty far away. I feel like a mouse in a maze right now. These airports make trying to find these rideshare locations difficult, or I have to walk pretty much a mile to get out here. I still don't know if I'm going the right direction. I'm just following my app. There's 22 zones, so I gotta go across the street and everything. They're way out here. Maybe it's not even part of the airport anymore. Okay. Getting there. Getting there.
Edward?
Yes.
Oh, how are you?
How you doing?
Good. You have a
Sorry,
location?
sorry. I was had to go all the way to the end.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
1425 or tomorrow, huh?
Yeah. Thanks for waiting. They make it difficult for the Uber to pick up.
Oh, yeah.
Made it here to Audi, South Coast. Got a lot of new models in here. Before I walk in here, I'm just gonna take a look and distract it, scroll it. Thought I'd walk over here and look at some BMWs first. That's gonna probably be another car on the channel. Next car, I'm pretty confident that I'm gonna have a BMW, another one. Just don't know what's gonna be. New X5, X7, 3 Series. I had to come over here and look at these. Oh man, look at this. This Brooklyn Gray. This is Alpine White right here. Get a good picture of this real quick. Carbon Black. And this one is a rear-wheel drive. S-Drive 40i, $80,000. Must be loaded at $80,000. Look at this. Harman Kardon. I think I want Bowers and Wilkins. The next one. Yeah, all these are S-Drives. I guess just in Southern California, there's not a huge demand for getting all-wheel drive. I'm surprised like the inner exhaust on these aren't fully blacked out either, just the tip. I'd better just have everything all blacked out. All right, but anyway, I'm not here to see a BMW. Got distracted. Go back over here to the Audi. This is where I'm supposed to be. I don't think they're open yet, but it's nice to kind of browse for a second. You know, element of surprise, right? Even though they did pay for my Uber. But I was stuck, they paid my Uber and I ended up buying a BMW. I was like, hey, thanks for bringing me down here. X7 M60i. It's got the captain seats. $119,000. Here's an SQ5 right here. No black optic though. I feel like I didn't want black optic. So there's an X3. X3 is S-Drive 30i. I like the black and black and black, all blacked out there. Man, this RS3 looks nice. This thing looks nice for real. So RS3, and you get the S3. But now you look at the S3, you look at the RS3, you see the exhaust, the oval tip exhaust, everything looks much more aggressive on this one. Let's do a quick walk around. RS3 just has a more flared out front fender. I think it's a little more hippie. It has more hips too. What do you think? Maybe the same. So right now it looks like pre-shrinking the film.
Yeah.
I believe.
I like to do that depending on the car we do on the glass.
Keep an appropriate distance. Most of us as other drivers like accelerate, hard brake, accelerate, hard brake. I don't get this. I don't get why people do this. I caught you, and the moment I pulled it past, now you're going faster. My favorite thing about road trips is, I don't know, getting snacks, candy. Look around this guy. Oh, there's a flame. I see actual flames over there.